Daniel. So this is your website. Doesn't look like you have all that much content on here. You only have 325 words. Content is king when it comes to Google. Google loves content. The more content, the better. You also want content with the organic keywords in it. Next thing is images. You want these images saved with keywords. So, roof repair Winnipeg, or roofing Winnipeg, or some other keyword that you want to rank for on Google. So you want to do that with all your images. You don't want them to just be numbers or gibberish or anything. You want it to have a keyword in it. Going to roof repair Winnipeg. First there'd be ads up here. Then there's the GMB, and then there's organic ranking. Grabbing this guy, looking at his website. This is what it looks like. He doesn't have too much content either. He only has 403 words. So you could definitely beat him. Grab 1,000. You could go higher. You could go 1,500. You can go as high as you want. The more content, the better, of course. So just doubling what he has is a good way to start. Let's see what he's got his images saved as. If I can. These are all links. Link. Save image as GMB logo. So yeah, that's not correct. Save image as. I don't know why I didn't check that one. Yep. So he doesn't have his images saved right either. So that's a wasted opportunity that he's not taking. But you can go and take it. Next thing is Ahrefs, plugging in here. You got 12 UR, 5 DR, 15 backlinks, 11 referring domains, and you got 31 words you're ranking for. We can come check out what organic keywords you got. It looks like it's all about for your company specific and your name. And then the ones that you want, your page 4, page 3, page 5, 6, 10, 9. But yeah, we come in here and try to get you ranking in the first position there. Let's go check out your competition. So he's got a 19 UR, 3.4 DR, 181 backlinks, 61 referring domains, 141 words he's ranking for, and he gets 77 people a month. We can come in here and see the backlinks he's got, kind of copycat his method, and see which links we like. This has 68. Do we want to go for higher DR and higher UR? This is a do follow. I would say no follow like this if it was no follow. We also want to make sure it's relevant to the industry. So you'd want roofing relevant web pages. So anything within that. Remediation, remodeling, anything to do with that. We can come here and see what this one is. We don't want to get spammy ones. You'd want to make sure the UR and the DR are both higher numbers. You don't want to get the low number ones because that's just they link out to a lot of people and Google doesn't like them. But we can see why this guy is on here. This looks like it's a core certified companies. So this guy's just certified, and he might be paying them to be on here. He's on here. There's these links. You can see what it takes to get on here and get it yourself. Because this one doesn't look like this looks like a pretty good backlink there, and especially with these all being relevant to, this would be a good one to go for. So I would try to see what you can do to get on that one, and see if you might already be COR certified, but you can contact them, and try to figure out check them out, see how they get on there, and try to get that backlink yourself. There's other ways to get backlinks. You can go grab all this guys that you like, go to other competitors and grab all their backlinks, and just keep racking in the backlinks. Other ways you can get it: guest posts, blogs, blog commenting, news articles that link back to you, sponsors. Pretty much anything that will link back to you, as long as it has good URDR and it is relevant to your industry. Let's go check out what this guy's keywords are. So obviously those are relevant to him, but roof repair Winnipeg, 60 people searched that a month, 6 KD. The lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. So 6 KD is not that bad at all. But yeah, we can come check all these ones. That one's 40-0. Roofing Winnipeg, that's a harder one to rank for. You can go for it, but it'll just take longer to get that. So that'll be a little more difficult one to get. Metal roofing suppliers, if you supply metal roofs in Winnipeg, you can go for that one. Metal roofing, there's if you do metal roofing right there, 30 volume 2. Roofers, Winnipeg, 100 people searched that, 4 KD, so that'd be a nice one to grab. This one's 18 KD, so that one's a little harder, but volume's not too bad. If you do in this area, you can go for that one too. And you just keep going down here and looking at all these and finding ones that you like, ones that you do. If you do vinyl siding in Winnipeg, there's 80 people search that, 1 KD, super easy to grab. Metal siding, if you do that, a lot less. I'd go for the vinyl if you do that, but if you want metal, you could also try to get this one. It's got a 7 KD, so a little bit harder, but and a little less volume. But yeah, we can just come in here and check out all this, guys. Go check other competitors, find other keywords, and get the best keywords on your website, either saved with images or organically in the content. Next thing would be the GMB. If you don't have this, set one up. It's free. You just got to get verified from Google. They'll send you a postcard. You just verify your address. You want to make sure you fill out 100%. Content in here is photos. The more photos you have, the better. You want them to be saved with the right keywords. Then citations. So plugging this guy in, he's got, if it loads, 40 citations. So he's got a lot of citations. You can come in here, you can grab 100. There's thousands of them out there. But you can grab all this guys and go get all kinds of other ones. Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, BBB, MapQuest, Yahoo. I mean, anywhere that you can put your name. It's got to be the same as the GMB. Phone number, it's got to be the same, and location has to be the same. And then you can get a citation that'll help you rank in the GMB. Hopefully that helps. If you want, we can set up a Facebook or video call and talk more. If not, I hope, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.